Hello everyone, and welcome to Gravity Forms Basics. Now in our previous video, we learned how to build an advanced contact form from a basic contact form. If you haven't seen that yet, be sure to check it out as it is relevant to today's topic, which is building multi-page forms. Now this is extremely simple, extremely basic. First thing you gotta do, once you already have your advanced contact form, is to find the page field, which is right here under standard fields. Now, since we already have a form, we can just use this to turn it into multi-form field, multi-page forms. Apologies. Now, we can we can just place the page field underneath name and email. There we go. Now there's a page break. And you'll also notice that there's now a starting page, or rather a start page. Then we can place another page underneath phone. There we go. Now, with this, you already have a multi-page form. Although, should be noted that you can make some changes under the field settings for the page fields. You can change their names. You can change the progress bar style. You can change the progress indicator. And, well, a lot of other things, actually. But that's up to you for you to test out once you have your basic multi-page form. Now, all you need to do is save form, click live preview, and there we go. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content about all things Gravity Forms.